Hey there, this is Sean Donahoe and welcome to IMSC Rapid Mailer. This is a quick demo of this incredible autoresponder and email management tool that we have built for anyone that is list building, has a list and wants to put themselves in full control. Now this is a brand new install and I'm going to just give you a quick tour of some of the features we have in here. For example, once you're all set up, if you want to create a broadcast, promote that latest awesome offer that's going to put commission in your pocket, just click Create Broadcast. If you want to manage your subscribers, import a new batch, maybe there's an autoresponder service that's had a few problems, you want to basically export your list or have restore a backup of your lists and put them in a place where you can control them, then again, you just click on subscribers. If you want to create a new list, create a new list. You want to check the queue and maybe push the queue. Again, you've got full control. And that's why we built this. We want to put you back in control of your income streams. Email marketing is a multi-billion-dollar business. And if you're building a list and you know how powerful a list and money is in the list, well, that's all well and true. But if you can't mail out, if you don't have control of your business and you're placing your entire business income in a third party's hand and under their control and whim, then you have a huge risk. You're also paying huge monthly costs for some of these autoresponder services that are out there. With Rapid Mailer, it's just one fee. There's no monthly expenditure at all unless you're using a third-party sender, which we support. You can, for example, send out 10,000 emails for $1 using Amazon SES or SendGrid. You can also use Mandrill. You can use your own host's built-in mailing system if you like. You can throttle it so that you're not overloading your server, that you're not getting in trouble with your hosts. You can use Gmail SMTP or any other SMTP service. We connect to everything. We make everything very, very powerful. Let me give you a quick tour of some of the features. So here's the dashboard. You'll see on here, again, we've got no subscribers yet because this is a fresh install. You get an update of all of your subscribers across all your channels. You can have public and private mailing lists. In other words, ones that people can subscribe to in a publicly or privately. You also get a summary of all your recent emails you've sent, any bounced emails, total emails. We give you full stats so you know exactly in an instant what's happening with your business. You can create new mailing lists. You can create a new newsletter. You can also manage all of the emails that you're sending out, seeing what's going on where. You can also create what's called pre-made emails. These are kind of like cookie cutter template setups that you're going to use again and again. Maybe you're doing a blog broadcast, because that's one thing you can do with this. You can take all of your blog posts and blast them out as an email. Got a new post? Got 30,000 subscribers? No problem. Right when you create your post, you can set up a little email to go with it right from the post page, and boom, you're broadcasting. In fact, let me show you that real quick. If I go to Posts, Add New, and say, for example, this is the post screen, you can see right here, there it is, sorry, I almost scrolled right past it. You can send the full post or an excerpt. You can choose which theme to use. Maybe you've got a pre-done theme. You can preview each theme, for example, through here. For example, I'll just preview that. Here's one of our awesome themes that we've got in here. Again, you can set up your own branding, whatever you want, no problem at all. So I'll just click close that. And then you can choose which list you want to send it to. And boom, you are done. It'll push it into the queue and automatically send it out. Can't get easier than that. So coming back over here, you can set up autoresponders. We have a full autoresponder system built in here. You want to set up a 7 series queue that goes out on a timeline that you specify? No problem. It's all in here. And you can use existing broadcasts. Just click on that real quick. So say, for example, I click Add New. And I say, okay, I want to call this, say, IMSC Sign Up. And then I say, okay, default list. Apply to existing subscribers. In other words, hey, have I already got a ton of subscribers? Maybe I want them to get this from this new autoresponder series. Can't do that with a lot of mail systems out there, including the top autoresponders. So now I'm going to apply that. Now I can either choose a newsletter or create one from scratch. We support full WYSIWYG editor. You've got all the short tags that you can use. So you can have all sorts. You can include the subject. You can include the first name, last name, emails, whatever information you're collecting. There's so many tags in here, including social media integration, absolutely everything. We make it very, very easy, but it's as easy or as powerful as you want. You can embed images and media right in your email. You can set up which template you like to use. How long do you want it to be before they get it? So 0 is for the first one, and you can make them active and inactive, and boom, you're done. It's as simple as that. You can also manage your subscribers. You can see all your subscribers that you have currently, and then import and export. Very fast importing. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly pull in. I had a little test group of 1,000 emails from just one of our little setups here. So I'm going to import that into the default list. You can set up as many lists as you like, no problem at all. And you just say, hey, do you want to import it from a CSV? If you're exporting your lists from a major supplier, or you've got a list of emails from an archive or from any other place that you've got an email list, again, you can just import it straight away. So I'm just going to take the email address, which is column 1. This is a single opt-in, and then show progress, and then check everything, make sure everything's good. When I'm done, boom, import subscribers. Now it says 0 out of 0 failed because it hasn't started yet. Start importing, and what will happen is this will go through them, checking everything to make sure this is good. Now these are all simulated emails. These aren't real emails. I just wanted to show you this as a setup, and you can see, boom, boom, boom. It'll go through them, verify them, make sure everything's cool, and import them. It weeds out any duplicates, making sure you've got a clean list of 100% unique setups. So that's all working, and what I'll do is while that's going, I'll show you some of the other features. You can set up custom fields, so if you want to customize absolutely everything, no problem. First name, last name, Skype ID, any other information you want to store about them, you can pass that through the form. It goes straight in and it's assigned to each person on that list. We've been using that for all sorts of targeted campaigns through Facebook, for example. That's very, very powerful. We also have a theming system. These are the 3 defaults that come with it, but we also have an extras pack that we'll be releasing with this, which has another dozen or so themes. So again, lots and lots of easy customization. And if we want to, we can preview each one of those like I showed you earlier on. And the cool thing is if you want to add a new theme, you just click this. You can set up your own theme. There's plenty of great supported themes out there. So you can create your own in any way you like. You could paste in your own HTML with the right elements. You can use one of the existing ones as an easy customization, upload a zip package, or just a straight HTML file. Either one works. You can create your own and have full control and, again, flexibility. You also have the email queue, which shows you how often items are going out. For example, again, this is a brand new install, nothing's been sent yet, and it checks every few moments, or you can run it now to push the queue out. You can set how many emails you want to go out per batch. So, for example, if you want to send out 1,000 emails, and depending on your host's limit, say you can only send 1,000 emails out an hour, no problem. Every 2 minutes, that's 30 times, split 1,000 by 30 times, and you can set how many emails to go out per run. That is very, very cool. Or if you're using an external service like Amazon SES, SendGrid, Mandrill, any of those other services that we support, boom, you just use their API and you are not restricted then by your host. So that's that. And then again, in the configuration, that's where everything happens. This is all where all the magic happens. You can set up all of your options, your settings, the services you want to use, the features you want to use. It's all very controllable. We have social media integration. We've got email templates. You can set up your company profile, how you handle subscribers. We even allow you, and this is something very, very cool, you can actually charge for subscribers. You can charge your subscribers to be on your exclusive newsletter list. And that's a great monetization strategy. Again, There is no autoresponder service currently doing that. But we built that into our system because that's what we want to do. We charge $5 a month for some of our subscriptions and have thousands of people on those lists, which allows us to literally create incredible income very, very quickly. So again, lots and lots of options. It's very, very quick to set up. You can, for example, here's the email setup. You can set up with Gmail, your internal mailing system, which is actually very good. The WordPress mailer is very, very good. Or you set up an SMTP server. And we show you how to set up Amazon SES, SendGrid, Mandrill. We show you how to integrate all of those different systems. And it is very, very powerful. So everything is set in here. And it integrates with Optimized Press 2, Lead Pages, any other autorespond kind of plugin for WordPress, any other service that uses mail forms and integrates with those to create opt-in and squeeze pages. We've put everything in here. And we've got people who have been using this for a few weeks who have been making thousands and thousands of dollars. While everyone else was down with the recent problems with a lot of autoresponding services, these guys were raking it in because they were the only ones able to mail out. How powerful is that? While everyone else was losing thousands upon thousands of dollars, people using IMSC Rapid Mailer were raking in the commissions because they were the only ones getting attention. Very, very powerful system. We built this for ourselves, but we're releasing this to you as well. And you can now use that. For example, here's the paid subscriptions I was talking about. You can integrate this with PayPal to checkout. You just set up what you want, how you want it, and off you go. Very, very, very cool indeed. So, with that being said, that's a quick kind of demo of Rapid Mailer. It's an incredible mailing system. It literally puts all of the power in your hands. You can send out literally hundreds of thousands of emails and save yourself incredible amounts of money on your autoresponder bills. Everything is in your control. You're not risking your business by putting it in the hands of a third party who may or may not like exactly what you do. We've heard all sorts of horror stories of customers who have lost their mailing account because suddenly a mailing company suddenly doesn't like internet marketing, affiliate marketing, and all the other things that we do to make legitimate money. But hey, they suddenly get their backs up and suddenly shut down your entire business. And then you're left scrambling trying to figure out something else to do. Don't get caught with your pants down. That's what IMSC Rapid Mailer is here for. So that's a quick demo of IMSC Rapid Mailer. Hope you enjoyed it.